Try natin kausapin yung nagagawa ng racetrack kung hihinto. Eh mababait naman itong mga Amerikano eh. So para makita natin kung ano yung ginagawa nila dito. Hey, can I ask you something? I'm from the Philippines, and I have 1 million followers on Facebook. I would like to ask you what are you doing on the track now? Preparing it? It's okay?
Yeah, perfect.
What are you doing in the track now?
Now it's when it's running on the sprinkles and water flow. This night
Just preparing?
yeah.
What is this right here? Just to flatten it out?
Yeah, it's for the level.
Just for the level?
Yeah, just for the level. This is the bad blade.
What do you call it?
It's for the bad blade.
Blade?
Yeah, bad blade.
Back blade?
The bad blade. Yeah, it's for the level.
You finish tilling it? Till?
Oh no,
And tractor?
no, not today.
Not today, but you've
Yeah,
done it
yes.
before.
Yeah, it's it's 1 o'clock. It's okay. It's 2. When water turn on the sprinkler.
Water and then this.
And yeah.
What's your name again?
Oscar.
Nice to meet you. I'm Borno. Appreciate it, man. Mexican pala siya, Mexican. So, ayan yung rig na gamit niya. Guwapo boy. Pipicturean ko yan. Gagayahin ko yan. Walang pison. Hindi na kailangan ng pison. Traktor at saka ganyan ang gamit. Guwapo.